etapa 6, sección 16, vamos por...
Prueba la nueva pausa.
Next time, can we please go hiking somewhere flatter?
Next time, can we please go hiking somewhere flatter? Podemos nosotros, por favor, ir a escalar en algún lugar más plano. Can we please? Can we please?
We spend all our summers in the countryside.
Pasamos todos nuestros veranos en el campo.
The countryside there is flat, so it's perfect for cycling.
The countryside there it's flat, so it's perfect for cycling. The countryside there is flat, so it's perfect. So it's perfect, así que es perfecto.
The landscape is flat and dry, with very little
The
wildlife.
landscape is flat and
I've never seen a more beautiful landscape.
nunca he visto un paisaje más hermoso.
I didn't expect to see goats in such a flat landscape.
I didn't
I didn't expect to see goats in such a flat landscape.
expect in
Ah,
I didn't
in.
expect, yo no esperaba to see
see
goats
in
in such a
a
flat landscape.
landscape.
En una tan sí, that's good, but I didn't expect to see goats. Nuestro perro creció con cabras desde que piensa que es una cabra. He's a goat too.
Look at the goats on top of the mountain.
Look
At
at the goats
goats. Look at the goats on top of the mountain.
on top of the
The
mountain.
mountain.
I've never spent much time in the countryside before.
Yo nunca había pasado tanto tiempo en el campo antes. Tú deberías saber mucho acerca de... Ven y estar en el rancho de mi abuela.
The upstairs bedroom has a great view of the landscape.
Landscape. El dormitorio de arriba. The upstairs bedroom has a great view. Has a great view. My dream is to have an old house and a bit of land in the countryside.
Look over there. I can see a bull on top of the hill.
Mira allá, yo puedo ver un toro. I hope he doesn't come there. The countryside. There is flat. I just I've just I just see a goat on the encima de un árbol. I'm just see a goat over the over on a tree. I just see a goat on top of a tree. On top of a tree. I did just see. Yo he acabado. No, pues, I did. Did I just see? Did I just see? Did I just see? Did I just see? Acabo de ver. On top of a tree. On top of a tree. Remember. Don't aren't. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. Too good. Don't make the goat angry. Remember, don't. Recuerda, don't make the goat. No hagas que se enoje. Ay, carajo. I didn't. I did just see a goat. Of 3. Did I just see a goat on top of a tree? Don't make don't make the goat angry. Did I just see a goat on top of a tree?
¿Tienes una empresa de